South Africa is known for its extraordinary natural beauty, diverse landscapes, rich biodiversity, and vibrant cultural heritage. The country offers some of the most breathtaking sights in the world, from rugged coastlines and towering mountains to vast savannas, ancient deserts, and lush forests. Whether you're an adventure seeker, wildlife enthusiast, or simply in search of tranquility, South Africa's remarkable scenery has something for every traveler. In this video, we'll explore the most awe-inspiring destinations that showcase the country's natural and cultural richness. Table Mountain is perhaps South Africa's most iconic natural landmark, rising 1,084 meters above sea level with its flat summit overlooking Cape Town. The mountain offers sweeping views of the city, the surrounding ocean, and the Cape Peninsula, making it a must-see for visitors. The famous cable car ride to the top rotates 360 degrees, giving passengers panoramic views as they ascend. For those seeking adventure, there are several hiking trails to the summit. Once at the top, visitors can explore the vast plateau, which is part of the Cape Floral region, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its extraordinary plant diversity. The views from the summit are truly breathtaking, offering a bird's-eye perspective of Robben Island, the Cape coastline, and the distant mountains. The Blyde River Canyon is one of the largest canyons in the world and one of South Africa's most spectacular natural wonders. Stretching over 25 kilometers and plunging up to 800 meters, the canyon is part of the Panorama Route, a scenic drive renowned for its lush, subtropical vegetation, waterfalls, and stunning viewpoints. One of the most famous lookout points is God's Window, where visitors can gaze over the vast Lowveld, a seemingly endless stretch of land. On clear days you can see as far as Mozambique. The canyon is also home to the three rondavels, three towering rock formations that resemble traditional African huts. These geological wonders were shaped by millions of years of erosion. Another highlight is Bork's Luck Potholes, a series of deep cylindrical rock formations carved by swirling river waters. Kruger National Park is one of Africa's largest and most famous game reserves, offering unparalleled opportunities for wildlife viewing. Spanning nearly 20,000 square kilometers, the park is home to the Big Five: lion, leopard, elephant, buffalo, and rhino, as well as giraffes, zebras, hippos, and hundreds of bird species. The park's diverse landscapes range from open savannas and dense forests to rocky outcrops and riverine environments, each providing unique opportunities to spot wildlife. A standout feature is Oliphant's Camp, which sits atop a hill overlooking the Oliphants River, providing stunning views of the landscape below. Kruger also offers remarkable sunrise and sunset safaris, where the golden light enhances the beauty of the scenery and wildlife. Located at the southern tip of the Cape Peninsula, Cape Point is one of South Africa's most dramatic coastal landscapes. Towering cliffs drop sharply into the Atlantic Ocean, and the panoramic views from the top are unforgettable. Visitors can hike to the old lighthouse perched 238 meters above sea level, where the vast expanse of the ocean and the rugged cliffs of the Cape Peninsula create a truly awe-inspiring scene. The drive to Cape Point is a journey through scenic coastal landscapes with pristine beaches and rolling fynbos-covered hills along the way. This region is part of the Cape Floral Kingdom, one of the world's most biodiverse regions. The nearby Cape of Good Hope, though not the southernmost point of Africa, is another iconic spot that visitors should not miss. The Drakensberg Mountains, known as Ukalamba, Barrier of Spears, in Zulu, form the highest mountain range in southern Africa and are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. These mountains are famous for their dramatic peaks, deep valleys, and ancient rock art created by the Sand People thousands of years ago. The most visited part of the range is the Royal Natal National Park, home to the amphitheater, a colossal rock wall over 5 kilometers long and 1,220 meters high. The Tugela Falls, the second highest waterfall in the world, plunges nearly 948 meters from the top of the amphitheater. The Drakensberg is also a haven for hikers, with trails leading through verdant valleys along steep ridges and to panoramic viewpoints. The Garden Route is a stunning 300-kilometer stretch of coastline that runs from Mossel Bay in the Western Cape to Storms River in the Eastern Cape. It is one of the most scenic drives in the world, offering a diverse landscape of lush forests, pristine beaches, lagoons, and towering cliffs. One of the most popular destinations along the Garden Route is Knysna, a picturesque town situated on a lagoon surrounded by ancient forests. Visitors can take boat trips to the Kneisna Heads, two towering cliffs that guard the entrance to the lagoon from the ocean. Further along the route is Tsitsikama National Park, known for its dramatic coastline, indigenous forests, and the stunning Storms River mouth, where a suspension bridge spans the river as it meets the Indian Ocean. The Wild Coast is a remote and rugged region along the Eastern Cape, characterized by rolling green hills, rocky headlands, and traditional Xhosa villages. This unspoiled coastline offers some of the most breathtaking and untamed landscapes in South Africa. A highlight of the Wild Coast is the Hole in the Wall, a natural arch carved into a cliff by the relentless waves of the Indian Ocean. This geological wonder is a sacred site to the Xhosa people and is surrounded by pristine beaches. The nearby village of Coffee Bay offers tranquil beaches and is a perfect place to experience the rugged beauty of the Wild Coast. Situated in the Northern Cape, Augerbees Falls is one of the largest waterfalls in South Africa. The Orange River plunges 56 meters into a deep gorge, creating a thunderous spectacle, especially during the rainy season when the river is in full flood. The falls are located within Augerbees Falls National Park. Several viewpoints along the edge of the gorge offer different perspectives of the falls, and the surrounding park is home to unique wildlife, such as klipspringer and black rhino. The park's name, derived from the Khoi word Aukoerebus, meaning place of great noise, reflects the thunderous sound of the falls. The Kalahari Desert, a vast semi-arid savanna that stretches across Botswana and into South Africa's Northern Cape, is a striking and peaceful landscape. Despite its harsh environment, the Kalahari is home to an astonishing variety of wildlife, including lions, meerkats, and antelope. One of the best places to experience the Kalahari is the Kalagadi Transfrontier Park, a massive wilderness area straddling the South Africa-Botswana border. Known for its red sand dunes and majestic black-maned lions, the park offers some of the best opportunities for wildlife viewing in a remote and serene environment. The Cederberg Mountains, located north of Cape Town, are famous for their rugged sandstone formations, ancient rock art, and crystal-clear streams. The region is a hiker's paradise, with trails leading to stunning geological formations like the Maltese Cross and Wolfberg Arch. The Cederberg is also home to some of the best-preserved sandrock art in the country, offering a glimpse into the lives of the ancient people who once inhabited this area. With its remote location and clear night skies, the Cederberg is also one of the best places in South Africa for stargazing. South Africa's diverse and awe-inspiring landscapes offer something for every traveler. From the towering peaks of the Drakensberg and the rugged coastline of the Wild Coast, to the vast expanses of the Kalahari Desert, the country's natural beauty is as varied as it is breathtaking. Each of these sites offers a unique experience, no matter what you're seeking. South Africa's extraordinary scenery will leave an indelible mark on all who visit. Don't forget to add these destinations to your travel list. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you for watching.